Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create a new project and delete storyboard from your project. So we will be doing everything programmatically. Now this is basically like storyboard is basically for UIKit application. Many of you might be using Swift UI already, so this tutorial won't help you. But if you're still using UIKit and if you want to remove storyboard from your project, this is the tutorial for that. Now many of you might be wondering why to remove storyboard. We'll keep it as it is and we'll write everything programmatically. That is fine. But suppose you have a login flow, suppose you have integrated Apple sign in, and on this first particular view controller you have that button. Once the user has signed in successfully, suppose you are redirecting to the second view controller. Now when the user relaunches your app in the after some time or after a day or two, you don't want to show this view controller, right? You want to show the second view controller which is there, and writing that particular logic inside app delegate with a storyboard is I found it little tough. I'm not sure if there is an easy way or not. That's why I think without storyboard UIKit applications are much more advantageous. If you have a login flow or some kind of an flow involved where you have to dynamically change your route to different view controllers on app launch. So let's get started. So firstly, as you can see, I have inside this view controller I have just changed the background color. So the background color is red. I have just ran the application. Now I will just delete the storyboard. So I will just do shift move to thrash. Now the next thing which you have to do is go to this info.plist. Some of you might have it, like what I have noticed is that sometimes I have an info.plist over here, sometimes I don't. I find it little weird. But if you have an info.plist over here, you will have to go to scene configuration, window, then item 0, and here you will have to delete this. So just click on this minus icon, then you have to go to your app, go to info, and here firstly you will have to also delete this. So I'll just delete this. Oh, I'm not sure what it is as keep Xcode version. Okay, so I've deleted that, and then here inside application manifest, scene configuration, item 0, and here also you will have to delete this. So I'll just press the minus icon. Okay, now what we have to do is we'll have to go to scene delegate and we'll have to write some bit of code. So now the application doesn't know what is the root view controller. So for that I will just copy paste this code and we'll have to paste it over here. So we already have this, so here I'll just name this as window scene and we don't need this. Okay, so something like this, window scene, UI window, then pass our window scene to our window. Then here is the important part. Now here you can write some logic. So suppose if you are saving the JWT inside user defaults, don't save it inside user defaults, save it inside keychain. So here you can write an if condition. If your keychain has the JWT or a token, then redirect to second view controller. Then here you can write something like second view controller, but I don't have it right now. Otherwise else just make this as root or view controller. So yeah, you can write logic like this inside your scene delegate. So I'll just reformatted it. I'll just remove this. Okay, and I will quickly change the color to now blue. Let's see if it works or not. I'll rerun my app. Hopefully it should run. So here you can see our app has run. So yeah, that's how you can delete storyboard from your project and work programmatically. Thank you for watching. Bye.